Left in their first season in the Indoor Football League, the Jacksonville Sharks are finally figuring things out as they are on their first two-game winning streak of the season and look to extend it against the Green Bay Blizzard tonight. Sharks strike first early in the first quarter as quarterback Caleb Barker, who's new to the team, gets in with a little push. Jacksonville up 7-0. Now in the second quarter, Sharks trailing by 3. Joshua Mack takes the handoff, works his way in. Big, strong move. That's another 7 on the board as Jacksonville up 17-13. Now with a few ticks left on the clock before halftime, Barker up. And DJ, unbelievable catch there. Jacksonville up 24-19 at halftime. However, Green Bay puts on a strong second half performance and Sharks fall 45-42. Jacksonville to close out the regular season at home next Saturday.